Exercise 35. It's an exercise that involves algebraic operations. If bx plus b is equal to 5, where b is a non-zero constant, which of the following must be equal to x plus 1? So, it doesn't just ask to find the value of x or the value of b, because we basically cannot do that. We have too many unknowns for too few equations, because we have two unknowns and only one single equation. Instead, it seems that we will try to manipulate operations in a way so that we can create x plus 1 directly. We can easily do that if we simply pay a closer attention and see that on the left side we have two b's. This means that we can use b as a common factor, and inside the bracket we will have the x plus 1 expression. This means that now I will directly try to solve for this expression, x plus 1. How can I do that? By dividing both sides of this equation by b. On the left side, the b's will simplify each other, and we will get the x plus 1, and on the right side, we will keep the expression 5 over b, which is what we actually wanted to find. So, for this question, the right choice would have been A.